Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. Today's video, I'll show you this creative look for Halloween. It's, I don't know what you would call it, like wings or like just like black drops thing. I don't know, but I think it looks very cute. Something that you can add to your outfit for Halloween. If you don't want to do like a full costume, you can just do a creative makeup, and I think it will look super cute. So I hope that you guys like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to just follow me on my social media as well. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. We'll start with a transition color, and it's just this C3 right here, and I apply it all over like the outer corner and blend it kind of inwards. Now with a smaller brush, I'm gonna apply a 2 and just do it like on the crease of the eye. And we will be doing a cut crease for this look. Going back to the blending brush, I'll blend both shades. Alright, now we'll do the cut crease. I'm gonna just kind of like underline or do the shape of like a wing and just cover the eyelid with the concealer. I'm using the Morphe Filter Fat Concealer on shade medium 16. So I'll just add a little bit on my eyelid, and then with the help of a brush, I'm gonna be doing the whole design. I have this flat brush that I usually use for cut creases and concealer and stuff. Now we'll move on to the somewhat difficult part of this look, which is doing the eyeliner. I'm gonna start with this one. It's just a pen liquid eyeliner to start like just shaping how I want it to look, kind of like the shape of it, and then like start filling it at the end. But basically what we're going to do is do like super close to the lash line, and then have a space in between the cut crease that we did and the eyeliner. So we'll do that and start doing the shape of like the wings and everything that we want to do. Now we can move on to foundation so that we can do the other details on the face. Round brush, and we're gonna grab some black eyeshadow and add some to the lower lash line. And it has to connect with like those drips that we did. Once we have this, we'll move on to eyebrows. And this is step 2, where you would add some lashes or anything like that you wanted to add. I have this Vivid Matte NYX white eyeliner, so we're gonna add a few dots of this everywhere. Like, just be creative with it. And because I love rhinestones so much, we're gonna be adding some rhinestones as well. And now we can finalize with like the final touches for the face, of like contouring and baking and all of that. So I'll start doing that now, and we'll do a little bit of baking as well, just because we don't want any wrinkles or anything. And a little bit over here, and also the forehead. And of course, with this look, we need a little bit of glitter, more glitter. So I'm gonna do some highlighter. This is a Too Faced highlighter, and I'll apply it above the cheekbone. That's pretty much it. We're just gonna add some lip gloss for it. So I'm taking this one. This is from Lancome. This is just the Juicy Tube, some lip gloss. edges are like a little bit uneven, but it doesn't really matter. Like, it's Halloween, you could be creative, so it looks like either like wings or drip or something, but I think it looks super super cute. And we added the glam. Like, I feel like the white really adds a lot of detail, and also having those rhinestones, I love it. And I'll also give you guys all my social media links in the description box if you guys want to check them out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.